This is a view of the osprey nest. They've been on that nest since back in the winter. They spent some time rebuilding it, although it was there before they arrived. It's on the top of a light pole that used to be part of a par 3 golf course. The whole golf course now has been expanded, but at one point it was all illuminated and mostly for nighttime golf. So the ospreys are taking advantage of it now. This is the view from the balcony, and there is the beginning of the back nine. So a lot of people start playing golf here and then finish up on the front nine. They haven't quite got their shots together at this point, so there's a lot of swearing and mulligans and whatnot. This is kind of amusing. Not being a golfer, I've learned more about golf in the last 8 months than I ever knew before. And you can see this natural area here was a lake about 5 years ago, but it's eutrophied and filled in with different water tolerating plants. And you can see the fairway there. So there's no shortage of birds to watch around here. I took a class through the Audubon Society, and they said that the Bay Area has the second most, or the second highest species count of any place in the world, and we're only behind Canaveral shoreline, which is due east of here on the Atlantic side. So if I remember correctly, there are about 200 species of birds that live here or migrate through. Many of them natural, and a few of them have been invasive birds, and quite a few migrating birds. So if you like to watch birds, this is a good place.